all of you to this Republic Day program. I'm very glad that we have here retired Wing Commander Sri Rajneesh Lakanpal as our chief guest. A commissioned officer of Indian Air Force, he has had the privilege of serving in several senior level positions in operations and administrative branches. He has worked for over 24 years in the Air Force. He opted for premature release due to his passion for conducting management and executive development programs for corporate sector and educational institutes. For the past 10 years, he has been conducting several training programs for executives, professional and engineering students, helping them develop competencies in communication and leadership excellence for professional and personal success. In his academic engagements, he has been a visiting faculty for MBA institutes and pilot trainees at Ahmedabad Aviation and Aeronautics Limited. He has served as head at the Ahmedabad Center of Rai University International. In recent times, he trained students for joining the armed forces as commissioned officers. Along with that, he has started a self-development center for students and executives to help them acquire stellar personal and professional qualities for all-round excellence. We welcome you, Mr. and Mrs. Lakanpal, to our program on this 66th Republic Day here. Now I request our students to go and invite Wing Commander Sri Rajneesh Lakanpal to hoist the flag.